What's going on, everyone? Reaction Z50 here, and Man vs. Train Part 8 is finally out now, guys. I'm going to be reacting to it live with you guys, so let's get started. Welcome back to Reaction Z50, guys. I'm so excited. Let's see who wins, if anyone wins. Oh, there's the beginning. This is all Pat's fault. He wouldn't wait. And then, yep, and then Thomas became He-Man. He-Man. Sorry about the fan, guys. It's just a little warm in my room, if you can hear it.
Lovely ground attack, stupid. Might have worked if I didn't have massive wings.
And a friend he can ride.
Please, Percy, I am begging you.
You think you're safe up there, you feathered twat? Well, I hope you brought up Rolly.
Huh? Oh, what?
Ha! I'm not scared of a bit of rare.
Yeah, like Henry. Like that song. It's raining men. Hallelujah. Come on, Thomas.
Then it's simple. Everything must go.
Is it over?
It's over. It's finally over. It's strange, though you brought this on yourself and killed quite a few of my close friends. I find it here, at the end of everything. I pity you, Pat.
Finish him, Thomas.
Pity me. You're gonna save me.
Behead him. Cut his head off and get it over with.
Try. There's good inside you, Pat. Somewhere very, very deep inside. And I'll do anything I can to help you find it.
Anything.
Anything.
Don't fall for it.
In that case, I want my cut back, you son of a bitch. With the snow, no rain, no pigs, no radio, no bollocks will stop me from killing you.
Jess?
Jess? Huh? Oh, shut it. Jess? Is that you?
Aww.
I don't have to. Jess, I miss you so much.
Aww.
Morning, Mrs. Goggins.
Huh.
Thomas, the divine tank engine, anointed by heaven, was having a lovely day when who should he spot but the king of hell, Postman Pat, out on his round. Morning, Pat. Back to work, I see, thought Thomas happily.
Oh, Tom Tom, you know what they say? No rest for the wicked.
Ah, I suppose that would apply to the Lord of all evil, said Thomas.
Yeah.
Oh, that reminds me. Thanks for bringing Harold back.
No trouble at all, lad. Apologies for the not-so-smooth delivery. Oh, speak of the devil. Hello, Harold.
Said the nightmarish zombie creature that was Harold reborn. Thomas laughed. Good as new. See you around, Pat, tooted Thomas as he steamed merrily away.
Safe chugging, Tom. Oh, I really am a happy man. These letters won't post themselves. Come on, you silly monkey.
A new cat? Oh. Ugh. Whoa. That was it. This part was a little shorter than the last part, in the last episodes, but yeah. I thought one of them was going to win. Like, I thought Thomas was going to win, like, end up killing Pat or something. But Thomas wouldn't do that. He gave him another chance. But, yeah. I thought Jess was going to be alive again, like she was in episode 3. Or no, episode 2. But then Thomas stepped on her. Yeah. What did you guys think of this episode? I thought it was good. It was just missing something, and it felt rushed. Like, it felt like he was in a rush to, like, end it. But, yeah. I'm going to see if anybody in the comments agrees. But yeah, later on today, guys, I will be reacting to the new episode of Hell of a Boss because I just saw the notification on my YouTube in my subscriptions. I saw it and I was like, the new episode of Hell of a Boss is out. I gotta react to that. There's gonna be 2 reactions out today. But anyway, guys, let me know what you guys thought of that in the comments down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I guess that's gonna wrap it up for this reaction. So thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you enjoyed. What did you guys think of Man vs. Train? I thought the whole series was awesome. But yeah, this episode just felt kind of rushed. Like, I thought it was gonna be longer. But yeah, I felt like he was in a rush to, like, finish it or whatever. But yeah. Anyway, guys, that's going to wrap it up for this reaction. So thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you enjoyed. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you have an awesome day. Peace. And also, happy Black Friday. I know people don't really say that, but I do because I'm nice. But anyway, guys, peace out, and I'll see you guys in the next one.